Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, we're making cheeseless carnivore keto chaffles, better known as paffles. Join me and let's get cooking. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make cheese-free chaffles. These are cheese-free, flour-free, nut-free, using crushed pork rinds or pork panko, onion powder, baking powder, a tablespoon of butter, and 1 egg. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna melt the butter in the microwave. All right, so I have the 1 tablespoon of butter melted, and now I'm going to take my crushed pork rinds and I'm gonna add a heaping tablespoon. And this is just like that. And to that, I'm gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of, or actually more like 1/8 teaspoon, so just a pinch of salt, and that's pink sea salt. I will do a little more than a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 egg. And we'll give this a mix. And this will make 2 paffles, as I call them, cheeseless chaffles. If you feel like your mixture seems just a little bit too thick, which it can with pork rinds because they're a little bit finicky, then I just have a little bit of water, and I may just like go boop and just add a splash, like literally a splash. That's it. How easy is that? I am going to be putting cheese like on my burger or whatever I'm doing, so I just kind of feel guilty if I eat a cheesy chaffle, like it's too much cheese. All right, so let's go ahead and make these. So depending upon how dark you like your chaffles, I would probably cook it anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes. So again, this makes 2. Be careful because it will bubble up as it's cooking. It's gonna rise. So otherwise you might end up with a big mess. So we'll shut that, and then I'm gonna go over here and set my timer for 3 minutes. And we'll see how that goes. All right, the timer is off at 3 minutes. So we'll take our paffle out. And there it is. And let's put the second one on. And like I said, you guys, I really like these because I feel kind of less guilty. It's basically just fat. There's no carbs other than, you know, maybe what little bit there is in the egg. So that's it, because your pork rinds don't have any carbs at all. All right, we'll go over here, set the timer again, and I'll show you when we're all done. All right, so I went 3.5 minutes on this one. Show you that. Doesn't that look good? So I'm going to let these cool, and then I am going to put together a BLT. If you are enjoying these easy keto and carnivore recipes, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you are notified each time I upload a new recipe. I will be sure and list the recipe in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. Halloumi cheese fries, those are really good with the spicy bacon mayo. Yummy BLT on a paffle bun and some halloumi cheese fries. Love this way of eating, you guys. Love it.